Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss color property in CSS. Here we can apply the color to text that we written. We can apply the colors to borders, and at the same time we can apply the colors to background of a specified element. Now the thing is how to give the different values to color property. We have multiple options. Among them, the common one is we are given the colors by using predefined color names like green, red, blue, yellow. By using predefined color names, or we have different possible options: RGB, RGBA, HSL, HSLA, or hexadecimal format. Anyway, we will discuss all the different combinations. How do we give colors to text to borders background? First, we will move to one example. The color is given by using color name. Now, coming to body, here write down any one tag. Here within that, I return some text. Welcome to CSS. Suppose if you want to give some color to the text that we return, how to write? Simply style is equal to property name is color. What is the value? Here you can directly give with color name. Suppose color is equal to red. This welcome to CSS now appears in red color. Okay. See this one? Welcome to CSS. Suppose if you want to change the color into some yellow, like this, see, text is changed into yellow, clear? Like this, we can give the color by using color name. Remember, here not only color for text. Suppose if I want to give color to background, here instead of yellow, if you want, you can change yellow, green. Now, for the P tag, the background color is yellow, green. See, P tag background color is yellow, green. Not only this, you can give the color to borders also. So, for giving the border, what you need? Width of the border, style of the border, and my color is yellow green. Now observe, one border is created with this color. Now I think everyone clear. So this is the way to give color to any property, either text to or border or background, by using color name. Next we will move to given this color by using RGB and RGBA format. So RGB specifies red, green, blue. So this is the format RGB of red, green, blue. Here red, green, blue has the different possible values from the range 0 to 255. Based on the value you given, it takes the corresponding intensity. For example, if 255 is given, this is the intensity of red color. Similarly, green, 100 is given. So, 100 is the intensity of green color. Like this, these are specifies the intensity of the color. Now, based on this, how many possible values? 256 values for red, 256 values for green. Similarly, 256 values for blue. Like this, these are total possible colors. So remember, if you remember the name of the colors, approximately we remember 10 or 15 color names. If you use this RGB, multiple colors are possible. So remember, if all the three values are 0, automatically it is taken as black color. If all the three values are 255, system consider that one as white color. This is RGB. What is mean by RGB? A in the sense, simply for this RGB, we are adding the opacity. So alpha. Remember, this alpha value is between 0.0 to 1.0. 0.0 means fully transparent. Whatever the color we are given by using red, green, blue, if you given 0.0 means the color is full transparent. 1.0 means not transparent. Now I will show with one example. So coming to here, you can apply instead of this, instead of border for understanding. I used background color. Why? Because the background color is easy to understand. Background color. Here, the notation is Rgb of give any value. Suppose 125, comma 198, comma 246 in the range 0 to 255. Based on these values, observe this is the color. This is a color. Okay. Now, suppose instead of 125, if I given 225, now observe the color is changed. Observe the color is changed. Suppose only 25. This is the color. Okay. Now observe the output. Here, this is the background color. This is the background color. Now for this color, you can add alpha value, the fourth parameter from 0.0 to 1.0. Suppose if I given the value 0.4, observe this is the previous one. Now I am going to refresh. Observe the opacity. Think you got it. Suppose if I given instead of 0.4, suppose if I given 1.0, now change the opacity. Now if I given 0.0, observe full transparent. Full transparent means the color is not at all visible. Now you got the meaning of alpha. Alpha specifies the opacity of the colors. So like this, we are given Rgb. Exactly in the similar fashion, you can give the color by using HSL. Here H specifies hue, S saturation, and L specifies lightness of the color. Lightness of the color. As usual, additional opacity can also be added. What are the ranges? Hue means simply a circle. So the values are from 0 to 360. 0 specifies that is red color. 120 specify green color. 240 is blue color. Anyway, based on other values, other possible colors are there. Saturation means a percentage. 0 percentage means shade of the gray. 100 percentage means the full color is up here. Lightness means the percentage value. 0 percentage means the completely black. 100 percentage means completely white. Like this, you can add opacity also. Now, I will show you instead of RGB, here you can give HSL. Remove all this. HSL. HSL have three parameters. First, you can give anything, for example, hue 0 to 360. Suppose I given some 100 is hue. Next, saturation. Suppose I want to give saturation of 100% and lightness. Suppose 58% light. Now observe the output. This is the color. This is the color. For example, here if I changed the hue some 10, observe. Based on the hue, the color is changed. Based on the hue, the color is changed. Suppose some 240, observe. So just now we discussed 240 means blue color. Now, if you want, you can add alpha also 0.5, the level of transparency. Okay, clear. Now this is the another way of giving the color. Now we are moving into one of the other most important way of coloring is by using hexadecimal format. Here each color is represented like this. Hash followed by 6 digits. The first two digits represent red color. Next two digits green color. Next to 2 digits blue color. Okay. Each have the values from 00 to FF. Remember 00 to FF. This is in hexadecimal. In normal, that is converted 0 to 255 only. Like RGB only. Instead of RGB, we given like this. Now observe carefully. If you given like this, FF red color, that is the complete red. Green is 0, blue is 0. Now it is displayed in the red color. Now it is displayed in the green color. Suppose all are 0 means RGB of 0, comma 0, comma 0, black color. All are F means white color. Exactly whatever we discussed in RGB, same applies to this here. Now change this one. Instead of, so I want red color hash. First FF 00. This is green 00. Now observe the color is red. The color is red. Based on the values, or else here you select the mouse, change. Click here. Based on that, the values are changed. Okay. If you select the color, based on the color, the values changed. Now here I am placing the mouse here. Now observe. These are the color value. Check the color. So for this, that is white color. Yes, actually that is white color. So that is not visible. Clear? Like this, we can provide colors to different things. Color to either text to border or background. Wherever the color is need, we can provide the color. These are the different ways for assigning colors. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.